Ever spent hours debugging flaky UI tests only to discover it's a device specific nightmare? The mobile testing pack crushes fragmentation with Jest powered unit testing, Espresso for Android instrumentation, Appium XCU test for cross platform UI automation, and AWS device farm integration for 1,000 plus real devices. We've all been there. Manual testers clicking buttons like it's 2003, automation engineers wrestling with XPath, DevOps leads sweating CI CD pipelines. No more duct taping workflows. This is mobile testing, rebuilt for QA engineers who value speed and stability. Here's what's inside the mobile testing pack: unit testing modules with Jest for JavaScript logic, Espresso for Android native testing, Appium/Execute test for hybrid apps, cloud device farms with parallel execution, and CI CD pipelines using GitHub Actions. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From test creation to deployment, we've got your mobile validation pipeline locked down. Installing the mobile testing pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add mobile testing pack. That's it. Downloads include Jest Espresso templates, Appium config generators, and device farm integration scripts. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to write testable code, optimize selectors, and distribute tests across devices. No PhD required. Just paste the command and watch your QA process become suspiciously efficient. Welcome to stress-free mobile testing.